Good evening, everybody. This is Jason Lauer, Education 631, and we are going to be learning to use Adobe Spark Video. This is a new product by Adobe. First thing we're going to do is start on Google's homepage. We're going to go to the address bar and type in spark.adobe.com. Once this page loads up, you're going to see the Adobe Spark symbol, and in the upper right hand corner there is going to be a yellow button that says Start Now for free. You're going to click that. Once you click Adobe Spark Video, sign up for free, it's going to give you a couple different options to log in using this for a school setting. Most schools will have some kind of Google login, so we are going to choose Google to log in with. Then you'll see a list of different Google accounts, and I'm going to use my school Google account to log in. Sometimes it asks you to click it twice, so you're going to go ahead and do that. Adobe Spark is going to actually ask for offline access, so you need to allow that to move forward. Each time it asks to access your Google account, just click on the Google account that you want to use. This page that I brought up, you can see some example projects that I actually created. And to start a new project, we are going to hit the yellow plus sign. And we're going to use this Adobe Spark to create book trailers. So to use this, we are going to click the video, the red plus button. We're going to give Adobe a chance to load up, and it's going to ask us to input the title for our project. So I'm just going to put simple book trailer. And you're going to click next. Next is going to pop up a series of templates that you can use for your project. I found the easiest to do is actually click the arrow and scroll all the way to the right, and you're going to make up my own. So basically you're starting from scratch. You're going to give Adobe Spark a moment to load up. It's going to give you an option to go through an example of how to use the program and give you a tutorial. If you're interested in that, then you can watch it. If not, you want to click Don't Show This Tutorial Again and then say OK, I'm ready. So here is your interface with Adobe Spark Video, and there's a lot of different parts to it. It's a very simple program to use. The first thing that we're going to do is look at the main slide right here in the middle. There's a couple different buttons on the main slide. In the middle you have a plus sign. When you click that, it's going to give you some options to add video, add a photo, add icons, or add text. Then if you look down here, there is a microphone. If you click and hold down that microphone button, it's going to give you the option to do a voiceover for that slide. Down at the bottom, you're going to see your storyboard that's going to have your various slides. Each time that you need to start a new slide, we'll just hit the plus button. So we're actually going to go ahead and add a photo to our project. We're going to click photo. On the right side, there's different options for adding photos. You can upload a photo, find photos, or use these various programs to pull any video or photos that you might already have. So one thing when using this in the classroom that's nice is that for the Find Photos option, it actually is going to search websites for photos tagged as Creative Commons licensed. So these are going to be, when it does a search, it's going to pull up pictures that are Creative Commons that are free to use within the project. You're not going to have any copyright restrictions. So once you click on the search for a photo, I'm just going to say a baseball player. Give it a second to find some pictures of baseball players, and you just click on one of the pictures. When you do that, it's going to automatically add it to the background. Now that we've added the baseball player to the background, we're going to give our book trailer a title. So we're going to click the plus button in the middle, select text, and we're just going to name this baseball trailer. And as you can see, as you type in the text box, the more text you enter, it will shrink the text to fit in that box. So that will be our title slide. We're going to go ahead and add a second slide. We're going to change to an icon in the middle, so we hit the plus button, icon, and since you already had baseball player in the search bar, it gave us some baseball player icons. We're going to go ahead and add one of those, and so it puts an icon in the middle. We're going to add a third slide, and we're just going to make it one thing for text, and we're just going to enter some text for the pin. And we're going to leave it at that. One thing on each slide, you can adjust the time that the slide is displayed. So if you click this here, you can adjust how long that slide, all the way up to 10 seconds and all the way down to 1 second. After we have our book trailer complete with our 3 slides, we are going to share it. So we're going to go to the top, we're going to click share. And before you can do anything else, you have to pick a category. So we're going to pick a category, we're going to choose education. After we do that, it's going to give us the option to create a public link. We're going to click that. It's going to take a moment to load up. After Adobe Spark has created your public link, you can see it's displayed right here. You can copy and paste that wherever you need to, or you can automatically share to Facebook, Twitter, email, or embed the video. What I've found to be the most useful was to actually download the trailer, and then you can upload it to any source that you need to. So that does it for the introduction to Adobe Spark video. Thank you all for watching.